Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of Forex and crypto trading website. So basically this is a crypto and trading investment website script, and you can invest in the different trading plans, and you can also trade crypto and Forex over this website. So first of all, you can see the amazing look of this website. I will show you in this video the complete demo of this website, its admin panel, and it is completely controllable from admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control it. And I will also show you how we can install this script simply on our hosting server. So in this video I will guide you completely about this site, and now let's start our video. But before starting, if you want to buy this script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script on a very reasonable price from market. So we will also provide you a complete support, and if you need any other type of script, all type of scripts were available. So now let's start this video. First of all, you can see the amazing link homepage of this website, and you can change the slider, and here you can see the live crypto prices over this side. You can see the live graph over your website, and you can see the live indicators, and it's completely like trading view graph. And here you can change all the details from admin panel. You can see the amazing look of Forex market here. Here you can see our services section. Here are some other section as well, and you can control these things from admin panel. Here you can see the investment plans of trading. Here you can see all the plans and their details, and user can also invest in different trading plans from here. And this is a footer section, and you can completely change it from admin panel. And let's go to services section. So this is the services section right here, and user can also view the services section separately. This is the about section. So this is a price section. User can see the investment plans of trading right here. Here you can also read them. Here is a contact us page. Here are legal license terms, privacy policy, all the legal things, and this is a login and register page. So let me show you the first register page. This is a register page. So I'm not going to register because I already have logged in details. So I will enter with my details. So I already created an account over this site. So I will log in with my existing details. So let's log in to our user panel of this website. So when I click on sign in, it will log me into my user panel. Here you can see that we have successfully logged in to our user panel. You can see the amazing look of its user panel, and here you can see welcome message. Here you can see your account balance, total profits, total bonuses, referral bonus, deposit bonus, withdrawals. Here you can see you can invest in different trading plans by clicking on it. And here are total transactions on your website. You can see right here, and this is a Forex graph. You can see the real-time Forex market right here, and you can see everything right here. And if you want to deposit money on this site, just go to deposit option. Here is a USDT deposit method, LTC, Ethereum. You can deposit Bitcoins, everything you want to deposit right here you can deposit. So if I want to deposit USDT, here I have to select the amount of USDT that I want to deposit. Now when I click on proceed payments, here you can see that it will show me our USDT address. After payment I have to send screenshot, add to the use admin of this site, and my payment will be approved. So this is how user can deposit money, USDT, Bitcoin, any crypto you can deposit right here. So when I get to withdraw, user can easily withdraw money from this site. So you can see all the withdrawal plans. User can withdraw its money from here, and you can also set other withdrawal plans from admin. Here user can see all its transaction history. So here is my one transaction history which I deposited is $222, and here you can see your withdrawal history. So I have not currently taken a withdrawal. Here are the other coins history. So let's go to the investment page. So when I click on my investment, so I have not currently invested in any plan, so it's showing nothing. But when I go to invest option, here you can invest in different plans. Here you can see the trading plans, minimum amount $500, 15% weekly, 3 days amount. All you can read it from here, and you can also create these plans from admin panel, and you can invest in these plans. So user can easily invest in these plans. Here is a KYC. You have to verify your KYC. So now you can also swap it to crypto. So here when you click on swap to crypto, here you can see that the graph has changed to crypto, and here you can see the crypto exchange, and I can trade over this site, and here you can see the crypto exchange. and you can see all type of cryptos were here, and you can trade over it, and you can invest in different plans of crypto from here. So here are the fund transfer options. You can transfer fund from one side to another. Here is a referral link option. So this is a referral link. You can refer different users and also earn money through referrals. And let's go to the invest option. And now here you can see that you can do investments as I told you. And now let's go back to our dashboard. So this is the user panel of this site, and here you can see that you can also turn on or dark and light mode from here. So it completely depends on you. You will turn on dark mode or light mode, and that's a very amazing look this script has. So here you can see your notifications. Here you can change your account details from here. So now let's go to our admin panel and let's see how we can manage and control this website from admin panel. So let's go to our admin panel and let's see how we can control it. So here you can see that I am on my admin login page. Here I have to enter my admin email and admin password in order to log into this site. So I will enter my admin email, and here I have to enter, sorry for this, and I have to enter it again, and here I have to enter my admin password. And after entering admin password, when I click on sign in, it will log me into my admin dashboard. So you can see the look of amazing dashboard of admin. Admin can completely control this website from admin panel. So here admin can see your total deposits, total pending deposits, total withdrawals, total pending withdrawals, investment plans, active users, blocked user, total users, and graph related to deposits and pending deposits and investments here. So it is completely manageable and completely controllable from admin. From investment, here admin can create multiple plans of investment. So admin can create a new plan from here. For example, if you want to create a new plan, just go to new plan section here. Here fill the details of this plan. Here fill all these details related to plans and trading plan, and when you click on add plan, your plan will be added. So this is how simple to add a plan. Here you can see all active investments of users in different plans. You can view them and you can take action against these plans. So you can delete them, you can take more actions from here. Now let's go to manage users, and here you can view all the users. You can edit them, you can change their details. Whatever you want to do, you can do it from here, and you can create a new user from here. Here are the email services you can manage. You can send emails to all your users or any specific user you want to send. Here is KYC application. You can receive a KYC applications and verify your KYCs of your users. From manage deposits, you can approve or reject the different deposit requests of users. So here you can see that these deposits were completed, and if you want to approve the deposit request, here you can see that this request is pending. When you click on process, the deposit request will be approved and this balance will be added to user account. So from manage withdrawals, you can manage the withdrawal request of user. You can approve the withdrawal requests. Now from manage accounts, here you can manage the trading accounts and trading fees from here. So here you can process, you can approve this trading account, and here you can, and from trading fees setting, you can manage the trading fees of the website. So from tasks, you can create a new task or manage tasks of users, and from leads, you can manage all the leads from here and that were trading or that were deposit money over your site. So you can manage them, you can edit their status from here. Similarly, you can create a multiple administrators for this website from settings. So there are app settings. So let's go to app settings, and here you can change the name of website. You can change the withdrawal website title, website description, announcements, all type of setting. You can see installation type, all type of setting, logos, etc. You can change it from here. So from module, you can insert the external module. You can enable or disable investment. You can enable, disable swap crypto option from here. From preferences, you can manage the support, emails and account announcements, etc. From here you can turn on off withdrawals, trade mode, everything you can manage it from here. So you can see all the things are here. From email and login, you can set up the email settings of this site. From theme display, here you can upload a new theme to this website, and here you can also insert your Telegram links, etc. from here. From referral bonus settings, so from referral bonus setting you can manage the referral settings of this website easily, and let me show you some payment settings. From payment setting you can manage all the payment gateway options, and you can enable, disable them, or you can insert your own details. So here you can see all the payment gateways were here, and you can create a new gateway by clicking add new. So this is how easy to create a gateway. Payment preferences, you can manage it from here, manual or automatic payments, coin payments, gateways, transfers. You can see all, you can manage all these things from here. And let's go to swap settings, and here you can manage all the swap settings, and crypto related options are here. You can manage them. You can insert a fees of crypto from here. You can turn on off this feature from here. So from IP addresses, let's go to it, and you can insert your own IP address, and so your website will not be tracked from here, and you can blacklist different IPs from here. And viewers, in this video I guided you completely about this site. Now we will go to our hosting server, and now I will show you how we can install this script on our server. Its installation is very easy and it's completely manageable. So let's go to our hosting server and let's install this script on our server. So to install this trading investment website script on your HPanel or cPanel, you must have to log into your HPanel or cPanel that you are using. So I will install it on my HPanel. So the installation process will remain the same on both. It's just an interface difference between the cPanel and HPanel. So what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager, and I am logging into my file manager right here, and so you have to wait for it. Now go to public HTML folder, and you have to do all the work in public HTML, but I will install it on my subdomain. So here you can see that I've already imported and uploaded the scripts. So you have to go to here and you have to upload the file that I gave you. So after uploading, so it will remains here, and now here you can see that there are two files. One is my SQL file and other is my script. So you have to click on script, and here you have to click on extract option. Here you have to get the dot and you have to extract this script. So it is extracting. Here you can see that it will take its time. So now you can see that our script has extracted successfully. And now what you have to do is you have to delete this script file from here. So I'm deleting it, and now here you can see that our script has extracted successfully. Now you have to download your trading SQL file into your PC, and when I click on download, it will be downloaded right here, and you can see that it has downloaded successfully. Now what you have to do is you have to go to your .env file. So this is my .env file, and here you have to edit this file. So here you can see different settings were here right here, and now we need database password, username, and database details. And now let's go to our Hostinger HPanel again, and here you have to go to your databases, go to management option, and here you have to create a new database for your website. So I'm creating with the database with the name demo. So I will create it, and I will give my password, and I've given my all the details. Now when I click on create, my database will be created successfully. So it is creating my database, and here you can see that my database has created successfully. Now copy this name, and after copying this name, go to your .env file that we have opened and just paste it over here. So I'm pasting it over here in database username, and here we have to enter the password that we gave in database, and I will give my password. So these settings are completed, and here we have to give our app URL. So my app URL is demo. And let me just copy my URL, and here you have to paste your URL of your website. So I'm hosting it on my subdomain, so it is hosted successfully. So now most of the work has completed. Now we have to go back to our databases, and here you have to open PHP my admin. So here you can see that my PHP my admin is opening in Hostinger HPanel. Here you have to go to your database that we have created, and let me just click over it, click on import, choose the database file from your download folder in your desktop, and I will choose my database file from here. And now after choosing the file, just click on go button and it will upload your database file to your Hostinger HPanel. So here you can see that our file has uploaded successfully to PHP my admin. Now our website is ready to use. So now go to new tab and open your website link. So here it is showing that access is denied, so there is some issue with our password of database, so I have to change the password. And so let's go to our .env again. So there will be some issue in our password, and here we have to change our password. So sorry, so here we missed @ here. So now just save this file again and again refresh your website, and here you can see that our site is working properly now. So our site has established successfully and our script is installed. So it's a very easy procedure to install this script. Here you can see that it is installed successfully. Now you don't need to do anything. Now everything has done, everything is ready made. You don't need to do anything. You just have to control this website from admin panel. So everything has done now. So this is the installation of this website. Now in this video I guided you completely about how we can establish this site, how I gave you a demo of complete site at admin panel. Now if you want to buy the script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description, and if you need this complete website, also contact us. We will provide you a complete website. And if you need any other type of website such as hype investment, mining, any other type of website, all types of script were available in WebSparrows, so you can buy them from us. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.